你好吗?
Damn, my man knows some Chinese.
马氏.
马氏?
Mm.
Doesn't make sense.
Horseshit.
Oh, 马氏. It's horseshit in English, but we don't say 马氏.
Nobody says it, but I say it. And by the way,
Yeah.
you want to talk about the second coming of Christ? You're a white boy.
I'm not a white boy.
So you're white.
I'm not. I'm Chinese. Don't you know that China has never been a homogenous country? We have a lot of different ethnic groups.
Bro, I want you to go to the bathroom right now. I want you to take a look at the mirror. I want you to say, I'm not a white boy.
I'm not a white boy. I'm not.
For fucking real.
Yeah, for fucking real. I belong to the ethnic group called Uyghur. You probably heard of that. Yeah.
Oh, Xinjiang?
Yeah, Xinjiang.
It's funny because I heard about Xinjiang and the Uyghur concentration camps, but then I talked to a recent Chinese and they were from Xinjiang.
Yeah.
And that Chinese person told me, no, that's bullshit.
Because that is bullshit. I'm telling you that too.
That's crazy.
That is all fucking propaganda.
I'm almost believing that, bro.
You should believe it.
From the north of Chinese and you're from South China,
yeah,
they fucking racist against each other.
It just few people does that shit. Because everywhere has some bad people. Mostly people are good. People are kind to each other. It's not as many racism as the America does.
We have more minority. Well, we got every fucking ethnicity. We are the least racist country on the planet.
You believe that?
I believe that 100%. You could be fucking Jew. The Jews, by the way. Sorry. You could be Chinese. You could be black, white, gay, straight, trans. Whatever, dude. Do whatever you want.
Yeah.
We accept you. I was fucking married to a Chinese. Chong the ping pong bing bong.
Fuck, stop saying that, man. Stop saying that.
Sing song? No, don't sing song. Play song.
Stop that shit.
It's a joke, bro.
I'm getting offense right now.
You're a fucking white piece of shit, bro.
Get the fuck out of here, man. I'm Chinese, 100%.
You're fucking white as fuck, bro.
Come on, you know nothing about China, man.
Okay, hold on. Can I play you some Chinese music?
Holy shit, cello? You can even do that shit? I didn't expect that at all.
Oh, I know. That's why I always leave it towards the end. Because people be like, oh my god, he's a racist. He got a fucking MAGA hat. Oh my god. He fucking must be anti-Chinese. Nah, dude. I fucking love Chinese culture. Most of my people.
Yeah.
My people. White people.
Yeah.
Fucking niggas. Because you're fucking Chinese, right?
Yeah, I'm Chinese.
Most of my people, we fucking agree, bro. It's not the Chinese people that we're against, bro.